our service section, and we have the service title, then the service body. So this is like LG4 and LG8. So on the 8 we have this cards, we have these 4 cards. Then for our tablet view, the the title takes a full width, while the cards just stay or under, like stack under. Then for smaller devices, the card each card takes a full weight as one each. Alright, so this should be easy because we have done the card design before. So let's just get to it from here. So we're going to begin our service section from here. Section dot service section. Okay, so first we need the title. We're going to get it just we got it the first time. Okay, let's pick it from our testimonial. Let's just say about title. Get this again, and then we return back to service. So change about to services, and here put your description of your services. Let's say explore the different services. So just put something that fits well with you. Just trying to. So right here we can give it that our padding button to put that nice space, and here we can put our padding short 5 and padding button 5. Okay, we should be used to this by now. Alright, so services, and here services. So next we want to put our set our layout for our color. So div.container div.row and div.call -lg -4. Duplicate this. The second one is -8. So with this, the first div is bigger than the second div. So this is actually the one for the description, one for the cards. Alright, so first let's begin with the description. We have this title. Do we have anything in our chats? Service section. Let's just copy, but make sure you're putting something that makes sense here, something very reasonable here. So let's give this maybe H2, and then the paragraph and the bottom. We have the space in here. Let's just put it there. Class padding button 2, then paragraph. So this should also have that padding button. So next one is button. We already have a design outline button like this in the header section. We'll just go and copy it. Let's go back home. Let's just say outline. Found you. Copy. And back to so this is our button. We just need to change the services. Alright. So our button is going to take that style, and here we go. I think with that we're done with this. We can add the bold. I think there's a color like a dark blue color here, so you can do all that, add the bold, add the color and all that. So let's visit the card. We have two column cards, so we're going to have another div and row here. Div class row, div class code. Let's choose ending 6. So we're going to okay, so we're going to copy. Okay, for here, remember the first time we said just use um let's just empty because it's let's just leave it like this. Okay, so let's get our card. Let's get our card from Bootstrap. If there is anything, we're going to fix it. So let's use this one. We can customize it. So we only have one heading. And is there any link? Just one heading and one paragraph, then this icon. So no link, so get rid of the two A's and we can visit chat now. Fonts. So you put your description of what you do with the front end web development. Okay, let's just use this. Then we have our icon up here. Is there any color? Yes, orange. So searching for code, we have this. We can use this one. It's still maintaining the same color we used before. We'll just copy this and put it right here. Okay, so we have this. Now let's duplicate. Pattern 3. Okay, so bottom equals list element. So here we can say bottom 2. Let's just give all of them padding bottom of 2. I think this looks alright. So now time to duplicate our card. We have call LG6. We'll just copy what we have here inside our call 6 and put it in the next call 6. So we have these two cards. Sometimes so there's shadow on this one and a little bit of transition. Well, let's just add shadow. We learned about shadow before. The Bootstrap shadow, I think on here we'll just add the shadow class to the card. This will give us a normal shadow. Oh, this is not go well. Let's see. Let's go. All right. Before we change anything, let's remember that whenever we're using the card, we are supposed to remove this default style here so that they can use our actual column. They can use the size from our actual column. So let's see. Okay. So. mm, We can now take this out here. It's on the card, not on the container. Let's try the one first. Okay, this is better. So we're putting on the card itself. Okay, shadow on the card. Yes. Now we can duplicate this two more things here because we have four cards, right? And so we just need a row gap here. So we'll set it on the flex item, which is our row. So we'll call this service row. Take this, Ctrl C back to our CSS, service section style. We'll call this row gap and a and we can notice that this is not, there's a padding here. So let's fix that. From LG4 service description. So padding top, let's say 60 px. 70. Okay. What do you think? I think with this we're done with our service section. All you have to do is change this. You can increase the size of your font of your icon, change it to the main content, front end, change it to all your services, back end, graphic design. You can even add more. You can make it like 6 cards. Bring this one down more to meet. But that's it. Increase the size more. Maybe we can make this one a huge one. Whatever you want, just do it and test it. Let's inspect. Let's look at our tablet view. Okay, so originally, on our tablet view, we have to close up the space, says too much here, and put some space in here. But everything looks good. On our smaller devices, everything looks perfect. We just need that space here and close this up. So we're going to take this, our service top. That's where we put that large padding. So at media, max width 768 px. We're going to remove this padding top, make it 0. But we're now going to add a padding button and make it 30 px. See? So with this, I think we're good to go. Alright, that's it for the service section.